Hi, everyone. It's time for another tip from our favorite watchdog. Hi, Sav. It's Safety with Savvy. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's watch this. Let's see what we've got here. Savvy, what did you find for us?
That doesn't look very safe.
Ouch. Savvy, that's not good.
Gosh,
That's not good at all.
it's so dangerous.
That is very dangerous. So what do you guys have to say about that? Duncan and Savvy, what do you have to say to everybody about that one?
Well, let's just say this. Please make sure that your installer is licensed, bonded, and insured and approved by the manufacturer, because if that happens at your house and that person was not insured, guess whose shoulders it falls on? Yours.
Yeah. Thank you, Savvy. Thank you for pointing that out.
Yeah,
You're such a good safety watchdog. Thank you.
she is.
She is. Well, that is really fantastic. So you definitely want to make sure that your dealer is licensed, bonded, and insured, because at the end of the day, it can really affect you.
Absolutely.
Yes. Well, thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Should we say bye and sign off for now? Bye, everyone.